Today I'll do a site visit. I'm a little bit nervous. Isra, the HSE manager, told me not to forget my PPE equipment. I never forget my PPE equipment, but now that she mentioned it, I'm sort of a bit worried. The other thing is it's really hot outside still, so that's why I'm dressed all in white. Respect to all the guys that constantly work outside, especially during the summer. It's crazy. All set. Helmet, chin strap, safety vest, and the boots. And not to forget. Hi! You got me a bit worried with my HSE compliance when you sent me. Do I comply?
Yes, 100%.
Even the chin strap.
The chin strap, very
I've got
nice.
the glove, but I took one off.
Very nice. How are you?
Good, how are you?
All good, all good. Are you vlogging today?
This is hard, you know. This is you have to brush it, you know. And basically, and then what they're doing is this, right? They're filling every time.
I mean, right now, all in all, they look pretty clean, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Why is that? Because they don't have enough.
Success. Still very hot outside, but all in all, I think successful site visits with very good HSE compliance from what I could see. So now I'm heading back to the office.